Welcome back. In the previous video, we covered using the mobile app and made sure everything from our mock inspection was synced. So now we're back on the computer at the inspector dashboard. We're looking at the inspection details page for that same mock inspection. Click View to get a preview or edit to go right into the web editor. For this video, we'll click on View first. This is what your client sees. It's the web HTML presentation. It's interactive and really easy to use. You can review the report, and if you see something to edit, just click Edit section. Let's say you want to add more annotations to these photos. Click Edit here. It opens up to that section in the web editor. The web editor is organized into 3 sections. You've got your main report sections here. Whatever section you've got highlighted, the inspection items will show here. And this area will contain all your comments. I'll click on the Information tab to show you informational comments. If there were limitation comments, they would show here. Click on the Defects tab for defect comments. With each comment type having its own tab, it reduces the amount of scrolling needed to find comments. You can click on any comment to open it up and make quick edits. Here we'll click on this photo, lighten up the image a little, and add an annotation. Up here, you can click on this icon to access the Media Center. This offers another way to view and edit images efficiently and use filters to find what you need quickly. You can make edits like adding captions, add annotations, and you can even move the order of the images around with just a drag and a drop. At the top, you can search for comments just in this section, or over here, you can search the whole report to find a comment fast. Once you're done editing, you can preview and publish from here or go back to the inspection details page. You can publish by clicking Publish All. You'll see that you're listed for the customer for this mock inspection. But first, let's mark this inspection as paid so you're not blocked from viewing it. We'll click here and choose Paid in Full. And now you'll see it shows Paid in Full in green. Now let's click Publish All. This shows automatic communications like emails and even text messages that can go out with the report link to clients and agents. If an agreement needs to be signed or payment needs to be made, they'll be prompted to do so before they can view the report. Click Edit to view or modify the message. We'll cover editing these templates in full detail in a later course. Please note, communications are disabled during the trial period. Emails only go out if you have a paid subscription. And that wraps up the Quick Start course. We sure hope you liked your first test drive of Spectora's report writing tools. There's really so much more to explore. Next, move on to set up your dashboard, customize your templates, and learn the online scheduler, and we've got a deeper dive on report writing too.